Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2085 code? This code means the exhaust gas temperature sensor on bank to sensor 1 is sending a higher than normal voltage signal. If ignored, the ECU may misread exhaust heat levels and affect emission and turbo protection systems. P2085 stands for exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit high, bank to sensor 1. In simple terms, the ECU detects an excessively high signal from the exhaust temperature sensor due to a short circuit, faulty sensor, or wiring issue. Common symptoms include check engine light on, emission system warning, incorrect temperature readings, reduced fuel efficiency, and possible regeneration problems in diesel vehicles. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The exhaust gas temperature sensor bank to sensor 1 is installed on the exhaust manifold or near the turbocharger on the bank to side of the engine. It is positioned before the catalytic converter to monitor exhaust heat. The wiring harness runs along the engine bay and exhaust system and connects to the ECU. Nearby components include the turbocharger, exhaust manifold, and catalytic converter. For quick diagnosis, scan live data and observe exhaust temperature values for unusually high readings. Then inspect the wiring harness for short tube power, melted insulation, or heat damage. Check the sensor connector for corrosion or loose pins. Also test the sensor signal and resistance if possible. If the circuit signal remains high, the exhaust temperature sensor may require replacement. Finally, repair wiring shorts, replace the faulty sensor if needed, clear the code, and perform a proper road test. Fixing P2085 will ensure accurate exhaust temperature feedback and reliable emission system operation.